We are in Athens now. I'm going to show you our room. It's so beautiful and it's so complicated. Yes, they left some fruit for us as a welcome gift, and I had them all because I didn't eat anything and I was so hungry. This was the last bite and I'm going to have this one later. But you know what is funny? The name of this hotel is Somewhere. This is the name of the hotel, Somewhere. Have you heard of Somewhere? And it's so cute and beautiful. I'm going down and show you downstairs next to the pool. Empty pool for ourselves and there is no one, and you can guess why, because it's not sunny. It could be a nice day if it was a bit sunny and it's warm enough, but the water is a bit cold and I don't think that we can swim. I'm pretending to go down. Actually, I'm going down. Should I? Now we just flown our drone and Elena is here. She's from Greece and she's a travel blogger.
Hey, I'm so happy to have you guys here. This is the south of Athens, the Athenian Riviera, and I'm happy for you to experience it. And finally the sun came out.
Yeah, when we arrived there was no sun.
Maybe you brought us the London weather.
I think so, sometime. I think the bad weather usually follow us.
No.
And yeah,
we're going downtown Athens.
Okay, so let's go.
Where are you?
In the downtown of Athens, apparently. Am I right? Yeah. In front of the parliament.
Right in the heart of Athens. Yeah. That's where we are. Waiting for Christila.
We are waiting for Christila. She's another vlogger and friend of mine.
The weather turns around. Do you have a jacket?
Yeah, I have it.
I was like, take a jacket.
Now we are all here and we are just in search of food and we are all hungry. Yes, you know, it's a really hard mission because we are in Greece, we can't find food. Apparently we are going here. It looks nice from outside. And we are going to have drinks.
So this is Tsipuro. It's from 40% alcohol, made from grape. And in Crete, it's impolite to refuse a glass of Tsipuro. You have to drink it. And they start drinking it from early in the morning.
Really? Before food?
Oh, from breakfast. So, Yamas. Oh.
It burned my throat completely. We were too hungry to film the rest of our dinner, but luckily we took some photos. The food was amazing. This was just the beginning of our trip to Greece. Stay tuned for more videos. Same as always, thanks for watching.